Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn the proposal together, step by step. Today we read The Proposal, a one-act comedy play by the Russian writer Anton Chekhov. It is a funny tale about a man who comes to propose marriage, but ends up quarreling with the family over the silliest of things. Ivan Lomov, a nervous landowner, visits his neighbor Chubakov to propose to his daughter Natalia. But before he can ask, they begin arguing about who owns a piece of land called Oxen Meadows. Later they quarrel over whose hunting dog is better. After much shouting, the proposal is finally accepted. The first argument is over the ownership of Oxen Meadows, and Lomov, who has a weak heart, gets so excited he nearly faints. The second quarrel breaks out over whose dog is superior, Guess or Squeezer. To end the chaos, Chubakov quickly joins their hands and declares them engaged, while they still argue. Ivan Lomov is an anxious man, always worrying about his health, who badly wants to marry. Natalia is quick-tempered and argumentative, yet she desperately wants to marry once she learns Lomov came to propose. Chubakov, her father, is a dramatic and cunning man eager to get his daughter married. The play is a comedy that mocks human pettiness. It satirizes a society where marriage is about property and status rather than love. Chekhov pokes fun at people who quarrel over trivial things out of habit and stubbornness, showing the absurdity of their pride. Let us learn some new words. Proposal, an offer of marriage. Hypochondriac, a person who constantly imagines being ill, quarrelsome, fond of arguing. And satire, the use of humor to criticize people's faults. To recap, in this one-act comedy, Lomov comes to propose marriage, but ends up quarreling with Natalia over land and over their dogs. In the end, Chubakov joins their hands while they are still arguing. Chekhov uses laughter to mock petty pride and marriages based on property. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.